Hello and welcome to The Loop. I'm Matt Bruning.
And I'm Erin Frizz. Break out the mittens and scarves because Ohio just saw its first blast of winter.
Parts of Ashtabula County picked up more than 8 inches of snow last weekend. Our ODOT crews were more than ready to deal with it. Here are a few of the views from plow cams in our trucks on I-90 in Ashtabula and Lake County. An inch or two of snow also coated the ground in northwest Ohio on Friday morning. Now remember, when you see our crews out on the road, please give them plenty of room to work.
It's Winter Safety Awareness Week here in Ohio. Winter storms and cold temperatures can be extremely dangerous. That's why it's best to be prepared now. It's always a good idea to have a winter safety kit in your vehicle, just in case you get stranded. This kit should include items like non-perishable food, extra clothes and blankets, a battery-powered radio, a shovel, and sand.
Be sure to check OGO.com and the OGO app for the latest travel conditions around the state. We also post a lot of information on our social media pages, like this fantastic meme from District 10. So be sure you follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, Nextdoor.
Several years ago, ODOT made a commitment to hire more veterans, minorities, and women. Over the past 8 years, we've added more than 400 veterans, 600 minorities, and 1,200 women to our workforce.
ODOT employees had the opportunity to hear from Roy Richardson, one of the original Tukegee Airmen. He told stories about his experiences while serving our country and took time to answer questions and talk with employees. It was truly an honor to have Mr. Richardson join us.
Last year, there were more than 300,000 crashes on Ohio roadways. ODOT has been working with first responders to find ways to reduce the time it takes to safely clear these crashes and get traffic moving again.
That's right, Aaron. And 34,000 of those crashes, they're secondary crashes, which are a result from a backup of an initial crash. And our first responders, the ones who clear these crashes, they are the unsung heroes of the highway. They risk their lives working on the side of the road, clearing crashes, semi-truck rollovers, potentially dangerous spills, leaks, and fires. Did you know that ODOT not only plays a major role in managing traffic, but also training all first responders on safe and effective traffic incident management, also known as OTIM? Through this program, we've trained more than 15,000, or nearly half of all first responders in the state. This includes law enforcement, fire, EMA, and towing and recovery. So why is this important? It's not only to keep responders safe, but also motorists safe by reducing traffic congestion. In fact, research shows secondary crashes have a higher risk of injury, and the longer it takes to clear an incident, the likelihood of a secondary crashes increases. In fact, secondary crashes go up nearly 3% for every minute the initial crash is blocking lanes. So be safe, slow down, and pay attention anytime there's a crash ahead. Who knew?
Thanks a lot, Dave. Get more ODOT news online at transportation.ohio.gov. Follow us on social media, and we always love seeing your story ideas and feedback to loop@dot.ohio.gov.
And keep sending us great videos just like this one from District 8.
And now, you're in the loop. Woo!